This video will focus on connecting performance indicators to an assignment in Canvas. To align a performance indicator which you brought into your course for an assignment, you first create the assignment. There are many ways to create an assignment in Canvas, so this video will not be demonstrating that. If you need guidance on creating an assignment in Canvas, you can visit the tutorials found on the Office of Assessment website under Guide to Student Learning Assessment in Canvas. Or you could visit videos on YouTube from Canvas, or you could speak with a colleague familiar with this process. If you are scoring an assignment using a rubric, click on the plus rubric button. As you create your scoring device, you can add the performance indicator to your rubric by selecting Find Outcome, which will take you to the list of performance indicators that you have already brought into your course. That process is described in video 3. As you add the performance indicator to your rubric, you can choose to use the points as part of your assignment score that goes to your gradebook, or to score it for the program and not include that score into your assignment grade. When you do not include the performance indicator in your assignment grading, the selected score will go to the program for collection, but will not be added to the assignment score. So always check whether you're going to use this criterion for scoring or uncheck it if you do not want to use it for scoring. If the performance indicator is used, and go back. Always check whether you are going to leave it checked saying use it for scoring using the score in your assignment score, or uncheck it if that criterion is not going to be used for one more time. Always pay attention whether it is checked, meaning that you will use these scores for your assignment grading, or uncheck it if the score for this particular performance indicator is not to go toward the score that you use in your gradebook, but only towards scoring it for the program. If the performance indicator is used for part of your assignment grade, but the amount of points does not match what you're using in your course, then you can remove points from your rubric and assign the score you want to use when grading the assignment. The category of the score, when clicked on the rubric, will then go to the program automatically. In addition, additional criteria lines can be added for an assignment scoring. So you will have a full rubric for your assignment, but only the score from the outcome will go to the program level. The faculty can also choose to use the entire rubric for grading or not. If you are scoring through an examination using a series of complex engineering problems, it is often easiest to create a scoring device in the form of a rubric with a line in the rubric for each problem. If created without point values, this allows you to score each problem independently and to assign the appropriate points for your gradebook, as well as to score the aligned performance indicator with the appropriate program, one more time, with the appropriate performance indicator on the, with the appropriate problem on the exam. If you are using a selected choice examination, you can align specific questions in the exam to a performance indicator, allowing you to simply score the entire exam, and the technology will pull the appropriate score for each selected question. This is accomplished through question banks that are used to align specific questions with performance indicators. If you need guidance on this process, see video 6 or contact the Office of Assessment. The next video will discuss scoring performance indicators in team assignments.